Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day here in Phi Phi Islands.
Cup sandwiches. Or
It's all kind of pricey. Hold on.
yeah.
Now that hoe looks fire though. I need it. Eat it, boy. There you go. Oh, is it hot? She's letting it cool down. No way she's that smart. We're going on an island tour. We're going on an island tour.
We are saying, boy, island tour.
Because we're an island. Yeah, Cersei. Tight. Gonna get some gas. Refuel. You know how we do over here, private tour, private boat, private everything, you feel me?
You know my cloud, my charger.
He's got everything, big bro.
Finally.
Yo, nah, this shit is rocking like crazy. Oh my. Yeah, I want to go there.
Go to that one.
Ooh.
BDC going on Granddaddy Day. I want to go over there with
Oh, we need to go.
So if you're gonna be out here for this long, I just got my yacht.
Bro, why didn't you bring it, bro?
It's been cheaper if I just got my yacht.
You really didn't think about that?
Nah, I didn't. Oh wait, I'm tripping. I left that bitch in Barbados.
Oh.
I wouldn't make it on time. I ain't gonna lie.
Look at all the fish.
Are these clean?
They're eating right there. Made it to Monkey Beach. About to see some motherfucking monkeys, and they better not take my shit. I will stomp on them. What'd you say, bro?
Everyone just looks at you and the camera.
Thanks. What'd you say?
I said I'm gonna call my brothers out here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold up. He grabbed his head. They're playing. Oh, he grabbed his tail.
Raps for her.
Damn, that's crazy. Didn't really won the game.
We out here in Bermuda. Bermuda Triangle action. Should I sign up for Feet Finder?
For what?
Feet Finder.
What's that?
You know what Feet Finder is, bro?
No, this shit warm.
Yeah, facts. Oh, this is the drainage water that comes out through the bottom of the sand.
Oh, so smooth.
You gotta and then you gotta.
You see the centipede? The centipede?
The centipede?
Right there. What is that shit? Slimy shit going in the thing. See it?
Oh shit! What is that?
Right? Am I tripping? Oh.
Yo.
Dude, what is that?
It's like a worm. Look, there's one right there too.
Clear, yeah.
There's one right there.
Dude, what the fuck? Look.
Show a big head out the frame, bro.
Here we're gonna explore the islands of Phi Phi.
Phi Phi, dude.
There's so many things in store for you guys. Stay tuned.
Hey, once we hit 2 million subscribers, we're gonna go
yes,
to Vietnam
2 million.
and do the exact same thing we're doing here. We're gonna spend 6 months there.
Cheers.
That shit kind of fire though.
I don't really drink, y'all. He's alcoholic.
Hungry ass couldn't wait, but
Good bar.
we got some motherfucking nachos,
Chickpeas. Oh, pizza.
That would be vibe. Yeah, that would be vibe for sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
We only have like 1,000 baht left between both of us, so we're kinda close. We might not have enough actually. Yeah, that shit fire too.
How many? Oh shit, like all them niggas? Alright, yeah, that's a bite. You gotta wash it down with some coke. On Vinny Granddad's head.
Hey bro, what you working with over there, bro? What you working with?
Nutella Thai pancake.
Ooh, hold on, that sounds fire. Let me try some. Yo, that's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, that's your fire, twin. I'm gonna make some more of that. That shit is too fire.
You going the right way?
Wow. Huh?
You've been walking aimlessly.
No, it's this way. Trust me, bro. Come on.
Beep beep. Beep beep. That shit's so
That dude
far.
killed it. That's crazy.
It fell. That was it fell.
It fell, bro, bro.
Alright, we gotta pop through. We gotta blend in with these guys. Come on.
Wait, T.
Hey, camera. It's my first time vlogging. Stupid ass. I'm a natural, bro.
You're in charge now.
You know what I'm saying? We outside, just walking the streets. Oh, shoot. We just walked by a fucking gang. There's like 8 of them. Bruh. We just finna turn up on them niggas, right? Muay Thai. Hiya. This nigga booked a hotel in like the suburbs of the island, bro. Like, we just with the local folks, no, like, dark island.
Nah, he's kind of right though. The walk is a little insane. Look at this.
Big smoking in Thailand. It's better than smoking in the States of America.
On video on
Legal
4
here.
12.
Federally. Hold on, camera.
I
I'm
ain't
going
gonna-
outside today.
Hey. Look at the cat.
It's a Siamese by blue eye. Live in Thailand, bro. On video.
Video, bro. What are you having over, bro?
On DD, great use over here.
Hey, why is this kind of live?
And then we finished it off with squats, dumbbells, and
Okay. Big bro, ready to smoke? Some people just can't handle Thailand, man.